Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the latest and most significant updates straight from the OpenAI Developers Day event. Typically, I'd summarize these updates in a quick video, but this time, the wealth of information is just too big to condense. So, let's break it down together. First up on the list is the announcement of GPT-4 Turbo. Unlike its predecessor, which was initially revealed in March last year and open to all users in July, Turbo is a whole new level. It's not just more capable and faster, it packs a significantly larger capacity than Turbo 4. But let's focus on the key features of GPT-4 Turbo. The game changer here is that it now has information up until April 2023. In its previous version, GPT-4 knew details only up to 2021. Now, armed with the latest updates, it's your go-to source for information up to the current date. Another noteworthy addition is the introduction of repeatable outputs. What does that mean for you? Well, it allows you to redo operations, identify errors, and predict model behavior, making your interactions more intuitive. Let me illustrate this with an example. Imagine you've written a code using Chat GPT, and there's an error. But here's the catch. It's a small mistake. Previously, when you asked the model to fix only that bug without altering the existing code, it sometimes changed other parts unintentionally. Now, thanks to repeatable outputs, that issue is a thing of the past. Whether it's coding or tweaking DALL-E-generated images, you can now make specific changes without unintended consequences. But that's not all. GPT 3.5 Turbo has received an update too. Expect faster, better, and more accurate results from this enhanced version. Lastly, OpenAI introduces API assistance, or however you prefer to pronounce it. Before we delve into the specifics, let's first talk about the API. Let's delve into the fascinating world of APIs and the latest updates from OpenAI. First off, what does API stand for? In simple terms, it's an application programming interface that serves as a communication bridge between two software systems. To illustrate, when you order food, the API facilitates the transfer of your order to the restaurant's computer. Numerous examples exist of APIs connecting various software systems, making them work seamlessly together. OpenAI has revamped its API for developers, introducing several exciting features with the API Assistant taking center stage. This enhancement empowers application developers, simplifying the development process and reducing the workload significantly. Now, the API Assistant can write code, analyze code, produce images, and even detect sound, making application development a breeze with OpenAI's advanced artificial intelligence. Excitingly, OpenAI's Playground allows you to explore these features without the need for coding expertise. GPT-4 Turbo is also active there, providing a hands-on experience. Check the comments section for the link. Now, let's zoom in on the new features in the API. Visual perception, DALL-E 3, text voiceover, and live monitoring have taken the stage. DALL-E 3 and visual detection were already available, but now they're accessible through the API. Two game-changing additions are the text voice feature and live monitoring. The text voice feature introduces dubbing capabilities to ChatGPT with 6 distinct sound features currently available. This is a powerful tool for developers, potentially leading to voice cloning for personalized voiceovers and dubbing. Although currently exclusive to developers, OpenAI typically rolls out such features to all users after an initial phase. Next up, the live monitoring feature allows real-time tracking of movements. Imagine connecting a webcam to ChatGPT during a workout and instantly receiving feedback on your form. This opens up possibilities for live event commentary and integration with the text voiceover feature, creating personalized announcers. Businesses also get a slice of the pie, as companies can now train their GPTs in collaboration with OpenAI. This tailored approach allows businesses to refine their AI according to specific models and needs, ensuring a unique and effective solution. OpenAI has also doubled the token opportunities, allowing users more interaction within a specified time frame. Now, you can send up to 100 messages in 3 hours, enhancing your ability to engage with the model and accomplish more in each session. Moreover, OpenAI introduces a powerful tool called Copyright Shield, designed to support users facing copyright issues with works produced using ChatGPT. OpenAI pledges legal and financial assistance, standing by users in case of legal challenges related to content generated with their AI. A noteworthy development is the expansion of Whisper AI, an artificial intelligence specializing in transcribing sounds into text, essentially creating subtitles. The latest iteration, Whisper Large version 3, demonstrates significant progress, as showcased in a graph comparing V2 and V3 across different language datasets. This update brings a multitude of possibilities, from enhanced application development to personalized voiceovers and legal protection for content creators. OpenAI continues to push boundaries, making artificial intelligence more accessible and impactful. Stay tuned for more updates and insights. The progress in Whisper AI's performance is truly remarkable. The FLIRS test on the right, often used for evaluating languages with limited data, showcased substantial improvements in version 3 compared to version 2. For instance, while the left model had a 12% error rate in Turkish, the right model demonstrated a remarkable decrease with a mere 6.7% error rate. This represents a significant leap in accuracy, underscoring the advancements in language understanding and transcription capabilities. Now let's delve into a groundbreaking development that has the potential to revolutionize not just the realm of artificial intelligence, but also the broader business landscape. OpenAI is unleashing a feature that allows everyone to create their artificial intelligence, a concept that might sound too good to be true, but is, in fact, a reality. This feature, termed GPTs, Generative Pre-trained Transformers, enables individuals to harness the power of OpenAI's technology without the need for coding or software expertise. The mechanism is simple yet powerful. Leveraging the capabilities of GPT-4, DALL-E, code analysis, image detection, and more, users can customize artificial intelligence according to their preferences. For instance, envision creating a math tutor application that not only solves math problems but also explains them to your child. This application, powered by GPT-4 and linked to external applications like Gmail, can perform tasks beyond conventional AI capabilities. The most remarkable aspect is that coding knowledge is no longer a barrier. Anyone can produce their application, and OpenAI promises to introduce a store where these applications can be showcased. If your application gains popularity and is downloaded frequently, OpenAI pledges to reward you monetarily. This democratization of application development, without the need for intricate software knowledge, is truly revolutionary. While the store and GPT-4 Turbo will be gradually rolled out to developers first before reaching the public, the potential for individuals to create applications and earn money without extensive coding skills is groundbreaking. OpenAI, in this move, eliminates the traditional hurdles associated with developing and publishing applications, opening up new possibilities for innovation and entrepreneurship. In closing, OpenAI emphasizes its commitment to privacy and security following these extensive updates and improvements. As we await the unveiling of the store and GPT-4 Turbo, the landscape of artificial intelligence and application development is on the brink of a transformative era. These updates, especially the democratization of AI application creation, mark a significant stride towards a more inclusive and accessible future in technology. Stay tuned for the unfolding of these exciting developments from OpenAI. What are your thoughts on these updates? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments below. Do you believe these features are truly game-changing and will have a profound impact on our era and various business sectors? Share your insights and predictions. From my perspective, these updates represent a significant leap into uncharted territories. OpenAI's recent announcements, particularly the unveiling of features like GPT-4 Turbo, and the ability for anyone to create and sell their artificial intelligence in a store without coding knowledge, have surpassed expectations. The depth and detail of these features, especially in GPT-4 Turbo's capabilities, are truly impressive. Reflecting on OpenAI's event 2 days ago, the anticipation generated by phrases like "stay tuned" was met with innovative and in-depth features, some of which have the potential to reshape the business world. I am pleasantly surprised by the level of detail, especially in the democratization of AI application development. The ability for individuals to create and market their AI without requiring extensive software or coding knowledge is an aspect I particularly appreciate in this update. It's an empowering move that opens up new possibilities for innovation and entrepreneurship. Looking forward, it remains to be seen how these advancements will shape the future. As of now, my advice, especially to those studying or interested in engineering and related fields, is to explore the emerging field of prompt engineering. It has become evident, especially with OpenAI's latest update, that guiding artificial intelligence effectively without extensive coding knowledge will be crucial. Prompt engineering is, indeed, a new and vital business line. For our young friends pursuing these fields, delving into prompt engineering, conducting research, and gaining expertise could prove highly beneficial. This field is rapidly evolving, and those who pioneer and excel in it will likely emerge as leaders in the coming years. As we do have not many subscribers and have transformed into the must-know channel, your likes, comments, and engagement are immensely important for the channel's growth and progress. Your support motivates us to produce more content and continue this journey. Thank you for joining us in this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos. Take care.